She claimed she could double your money. She mocked celebrities online. And now, she's been hit with 15 years in prison. Ghana's infamous evangelist Nana Agrada has officially fallen from grace. But it all started with a savage online feud. Before she was locked up, Nana Agrada was already trending for all the wrong reasons. In May 2025, gospel musician Empress Gifty filed a 20 million Ghanaian cedis defamation lawsuit against her. Agrada had gone live on Facebook, TikTok, and YouTube, hurling disgusting accusations, from adultery and prostitution to bestiality and insulting her children. What was once seen as harmless drama turned into something much darker. Gifty said her kids were taunted at school. Her reputation was shredded across media, all because Agrada made it personal and public. The defamation went viral, shared by bloggers and news sites around the globe. And now, Agrada's online attacks are being handled by the courts. But as that defamation suit was unfolding, another storm was brewing. Fast forward to June 2025. Nana Agrada has now been sentenced to 15 years in prison with hard labor for defrauding people through her church. She claimed she could double people's money using spiritual power and invited them to an all-night service at her church in Waja. She promoted the event on her Today TV channel and social media, promising attendees their money would be returned in double. Instead, she walked away with thousands of cedis, and her victims walked away with nothing. Court documents reveal 6 official complainants, but the real number is believed to be over 1,000 people from across Ghana. The court labeled it a calculated religious scam, saying she deliberately targeted desperate and vulnerable people under the name of Christianity. And just before sentencing, Agrada was given a pregnancy test, standard for female convicts. Once it came back negative, the court handed her the full weight of the law. The woman who once claimed to be a servant of God is now facing the consequences of exploiting that faith.
Yeah, as I said, naturally, I feel very bad and I'm proud of myself, but it's one of the things. See, being a Christian, and sometimes these are some of the things that have to climb up. I feel and I see good things coming. That's why certain are something. So I'll take it like that.
So for the next 15 years, what will you do?
For the next 15 years.
That should be you.
Oh, I was living with my wife. I was going there every day up and down.
What will happen to the church?
The church will continue. I'm a pastor myself. My wife is a supervisor, like overseer, and I'm an associate pastor. So once the founder is not around, the associate pastor is there to continue on the church.
Your case and last before being vigilant pass. Sorry, that don't make it I put my first like and they kind of court judgment by court police for lecture and my part with 5 counts of offences. Court the way pretty mammy and one deciding on 2 of the counts and one convicting on 3 other counts. A sentence to 15 years imprisonment. Court Nakasabia. Yadwin said, Bra prosecution goes home case. Court said, give me a defense in respect of all the 5 counts. And they said, can find evidence be any record. So, there's a bra or catcher and say you play defense. For can find is not need as we are. When you say evidence in your record of the SWA, Saka, my lady, and share, Abiaka, ruling and a judgment. As some will look at it, and if I be say for Moko watch nights, or Moko BBC, my minimum for Mokus, Anna or J or Muslim Sika. As some will say video recordings of the entire church service in the by course. The father or mobile mammy, Mammy is minimum, we share wonder. And without even being a lawyer, the first thing is complainants. I didn't see in the video. The parents of court, and yet I saw it. It just was me today and said, maybe pay. Okay, video at 10 minutes, 5 minutes, 60 minutes, in the Viginabo. Or more me and trade the Biasa. The parents of court, sorry, them. Yabusa Oko, sorry, message in the bar. Or me and young Empire, boy, prayer points, the minute they want to me and Yano. Yabusa said, you might to a minute, they want to me and Yano. And some who say, 9 or me and Yano. That's a course in the scene, and my medical move for here. Yeah, the other is a grad that she has been jailed because of who she is, and not because of what she did. Said, and for any people say, this is also amount involved in 540 cents. It is a Joby Semiska 540 cities. As far as every 15 years. And we say, I was saying, but I say, what who was about to Semiska 540 cities. 540 cities, and one solution. And 15 years imprisonment. Yet the other years, if you're Mamma and who are back. Ebiana no ɛyɛ social media so nse wɔ kafa nkɔfo bi ma ɛnyɛ nika wɔte esi akɔfo na so nyinaa ka mu ana ebi akɔfo ɛka mu kɔ de aso bi ama ade ti sɛ sɛ ha yi circuit court nti sɛ wɔde wɔade ba na so wɔne nyɛ mu a yɛ ɔkɔ kakɛsɛ wɔ hɔ a ebi tu di akɔ ɛbɛn sɛ nyinaa de akɔ appellate court sɛ mo nso mo nhwɛ bi ma yi na the judge no ka no deɛ ɛka sɛ ɛne yɛ abia na ɛkɔ ɛyɛ judge a ɔtena ɛkɔ mu Olubia, you will woman pa, a penassan pa, and a sasso of the pa, and so the judgment media at a braca, and castle, and any young parents. Because video did a course. The Dipana was saying, Yapuna Faso, and so to me today, the Dipana was naturally. Also say, I never quite dead with the council, and then I've been cried. Or still play video in Mana, who said, my melodies can be a man of food. The Montes some of four Osaka and musically, we are collaborators. So we are collaborators are the engineers, I didn't have police for and just phone in a normal child of conspiracy. There's no a child of conspiracy. It's a one who said video, no, Mammy is gallery at China, so said, who is said, we are collaborators are there doing there. See, Wakasaki, Yelena Yagi, see, sure, you take the sisters. The fellow, honor and Nasana, you would depart a dollar, and judgment to depart, and then we pay. So we bought 546. Now, so we go on for that, he has 15 years. Now, the bishop was able to come and teach him. Mumba, the Bam, Nasa, and the Bosch as well, and then we do a fias media. Men nam, Macola, maybe a jumo for an exam. The lawyer, Nasa, Musikana, Bishop was a Ramadi. Na mubana ma fa sikana makwa and also send to a fierce mania na msema kola for munza bote se judge na temu ma yen trama kola ju in some question e mumbra working kind na temu na obi to them also ole mutume de usialo law contract no ka tell say case be a friend kala da ska police mo ko compare limited e tell say obi share bo say me wo do it me ku influencer wa be no bibia o be tisa ya there me do sika be ma obi ko fine and you say who said then yet criminal matter. It's a mammy passion was in music. That's a portion where he had where you swore. They had the idea to 12 years and Mammy and Wabatan. And it was the punishment. It's a Ghana for them all the Monsaka. But in a year, Seki Cost Nakas. And it is a say, of course, Nakas CP or what. You have to say, but on a media also reportage as I say, yes, I will can ya, Yamisha.